Hello and welcome to the second video tutorial of a complete guide of Python programming. Over the last video tutorial, we already completed our setup. Now in this video tutorial, we are going to write a small program and we will see how to run it. So first of all, we will create our workspace to save all of our files. So anywhere you can create your workspace. I am going to create my folder or workspace on desktop. So I'll give it a name, Python programming. So here is my workspace. Now to open the workspace, you have to select open folder from here and you can select your workspace wherever you have created. For me it is on my desktop, so I'll go on my desktop and you can see that the folder is available here. I'll open this workspace. Now I'll close this file and here is the folder which I just created, and inside this folder I will create a file. You can create the file from here by clicking on new file, or you can create the file from here as well by clicking on new file. So I just created a new file and I will write something here. So let's see how to print something in Python. So to print a value in Python, you have to write a print function, and inside print function you have to pass your value whichever you want to print. So as this is our first program video, so we are just printing a hello world message here. We just wrote a single line of program, and to save this file, you can save this file by clicking on file and save as. So you can click on save as and you will save this file as first, and the extension of this file will be py, because we are creating a Python program here, so that's why we have to write py as its extension. So we'll select all file from here. So now we'll click on save. We can see that file has been saved with an extension of py. So to run this file, what we have to do is, so just ignore whatever is coming here. So to run this file, we will use the integrated terminal of Visual Studio from here. So to open integrated terminal, you have to go on terminal and you have to click on new terminal. So here we will see an console. So to run this file, we have to write py and the file name, and the file name is first.py. So we'll write first.py here and we'll hit the enter button, and we can see that hello world has been printed in our console. So this was the basic tutorial to how to set up a project, how to write a small program and how to run it into our Visual Studio. So thank you for watching. Into the next video tutorial, we will learn the data type into Python.